In this video, I will talk about how to find the slope of a line given 2 points. The slope m of the line containing the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by this formula. y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1 is the change in y all over the change in x. When finding the slope, it makes no difference which point is identified as x1, y1 and which is identified as x2, y2. Just remember that whatever y value is first in the numerator, its corresponding x value is first in the denominator. So let's look at this problem. We are going to find the slope of a line passing through the points -2, 3 and 4, -1. So I can let this point be x1, y1, and this point be x2, y2. And now go ahead and use the equation y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Remember, we denote the slope by the letter m. So this will be -1 minus 3 all over 4 minus a -2. It'll be -4 at the top. Down here, a negative in front of a negative makes this to a positive, so this would be 6 at the bottom. And then you can reduce it. It'll be -2/3. In this next one, we have the point -2, 1 and 3, 5. So I can change it around. I can let this be x2, y2, and this be x1, y1. Once again, we still use the same formula, and as I said earlier, it doesn't matter which one we let be the ones or the twos, as long as you keep them together when you do the formula. So y2 minus y1 will be 1 minus 5, and x2 minus x1 will be -2 minus 3. This will be -4 all over -5. A negative over a negative will make this a positive 4/5. You can also find the slope of a line when you have a given line, and then what you'll do is you'll find 2 points on the line to find the slope. So in this one, I already have the 2 points that I want to find the slope from. The first point is 2, 2. Excuse me, and the second point is 4, -3. Excuse me, it doesn't matter which one are the ones and which ones are the twos. I'm going to go ahead and plug everything back into this formula. This would be -3 minus 2 all over 4 minus 2. This would be -5 over 2. And that would be the answer.